Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, this is your girl SherryAnne. It's a pleasure to have you in yet another episode of my daily vlogs, and today we are going to do a fridge cleaning. Guys, my fridge has been so dirty since it went off. The fuse had burnt, if that is the right English I can use, and we just recently got it replaced. So today I'm going to do some cleaning with you. Hopefully I'm going to do a different video on fridge organization. So what you're going to expect on this video mostly is some tricks and hacks on how to clean as you keep me company cleaning my fridge, and I'm going to take you through everything, and I hope it's going to be helpful. Immediately after having breakfast and bonding with my son Kyle, I jumped right into the action of the day, where we emptied everything that was in the fridge and immediately started on cleaning it. So in a basin, I put in some warm water and a washcloth that I was going to use. The water was a bit hot to ensure that we melt all the food particles and also any sediments that was left in the fridge. I started from the freezer all the way down, and I dismantled all the parts of the fridge and passed them over to my domestic manager to assist me in washing them as I washed the fridge inside. Guys, I forgot to mention something very important, and that is to switch off the fridge while you're doing this exercise. And so guys, once we are done removing all the dirt, you can see the water is evidently showing that that fridge was not clean. So we are now going to make a paste with baking soda and some warm water and a clean washcloth that you will have rinsed. You're going to wash it again, or what you're going to do right now is clean again the fridge, the whole of it. And the baking soda paste is going to help the fridge just lose that odor that is usually there. Perhaps if it's a moldy smell or maybe a decay smell, and whatever the smell of your fridge, the paste is going to ensure that it all goes away. So for the places that you're not able to reach with your cloth, you can use whatever thing that you need to clean so as to ensure all the parts have been cleaned thoroughly. So for me, that part that you're seeing me trying to clean is the back of the door, and I was using some clean earbuds and they really came in handy.